What's up, everybody? This is Cody with Green River Sawyers, and today we are milling some 1x12 by 10 pine and also some 1x3 by 10 pine for a board and batten for a customer. It's a pretty big order, and I'm hauling logs. Matthew's over at the mill. He's milling, and if you hadn't noticed, I'm not in all the videos. I'm only in the videos if we record on Friday and Saturday. But recently, I have quit my job. I had a job at a water utility company, and I was looking for a change. And so that being said, Matthew was wide open at the mill. He's, milling, going to pick up logs. And if the mill's not running, you ain't making no money. So I was looking for a change. Matthew was wide open, needing help. So I figured it was a good time for me to go full-time in the sawmilling. And we don't only do sawmilling, we also do pole barns and timber frames, any outdoor structure, we do that as well. So you'll be seeing me a little bit more in the videos. We thank y'all for watching. And like I say, today we're going to haul some logs while Matthew's milling. So I figured we'd take y'all along with us. We thank y'all. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hey guys, Matt here. As Cody just mentioned there a few seconds ago, that how everything runs better as a business if the mill is running continuously. And that's really how you make money with a sawmill, is have that thing working for you all the time that it can. And with Cody being with us here at the mill full time, that allows us to have at least one person at the mill running all the time. Like right now, Cody's getting logs and I'm sawing lumber. Here in just a little bit, I had to run out and take care of a few things, get some fuel, stuff like that. And Cody runs the mill. So it all just works out for the good. And you're going to see us switch back and forth here, but I'm going to show you what Cody's doing, what I'm doing. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoy the video.
right, guys, we made it back to the mill. Got a good looking load of pine. We're fixing to eat a bite of lunch and head back to the log yard to pick up some more.